What's up, guys, and welcome to the part 2 of Python-flask web development series. So now you're second step ahead of creating your awesome web chat app. So in today's video, we are to learn how to create custom HTML files and serve that to our user. And the second thing we are going to learn today is that how to create static folder and how to place our static files inside the folder. So a static folder is which is used to actually store the static images / videos or the static files which we are going to serve to the user. And third thing we are going to learn today is that how to redirect or navigate our user from one page to another or different routes, how to redirect the user. And also I haven't made a really good clarification of what we are actually trying to do here. So we are going to create a chat application in which the user can actually log in using a random username. There will not be a credentials and storing and database and all. Just give a name. Just we can log into our chat application, and we can actually navigate your chat application, send text, images, videos, etc. And it's like a public chat room. Anyone can actually log in with a random name and you can chat with each other. So that's basically the idea. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, this is where actually we kind of left off. So today we are going to get started by rendering custom HTML templates to our chat application. So the first thing I'm going to do is that create a home page in which we're going to show our title as well as saying why you want to use our web application, as well as a home button with images and all. So first of all, we have to design the HTML file and place it inside a folder named templates. Why we are going to create a folder named templates? Because when you actually pass the HTML file to Flask will actually search for a folder named templates, and it will search the HTML file inside the templates folder. It will be clear in a second. First of all, we just create a new file and save that file. Before saving, I must create a folder inside chat app, right? So let me just go inside our folder chat app. Inside in here, let me just create a new folder which will be named as templates, type enter, and inside of that I'm going to place the HTML file. So I'm just gonna save this one to templates, and it will say home.html because we are going to create a home page. Home.html, and we'll start writing our HTML. This is all basic HTML. Probably you should have learned in the school. So /head, and we'll also create a body tag, body /body. Perfect. Now we have to first of all put our title of our web application, chat application. Say title, and also let me just be chat app, just chat app. So inside the body, I will say inside like h1 tag, I'll say share and let's say inside p tag, I'll say this is the world's best chat app, and I will create a button. So say button /button, and I will say enter chat, and that's pretty much it. And if I save this, so this is going to create a HTML page which will be titled as chat app, and also with the heading chat app, and actually display a message, this is the world's best chat app, and it will like show a button, enter chat. That's it. No pretty much size styling at all, just displaying the HTML file. So how to return this HTML page to this web app, right, while serving. So if I go inside the chat app and open up templates, you can see a home.html file. If I double click over here, it will actually open up the web browser and display the HTML file over there. Summoning up. Okay, it's loading now. Perfect. You can see chat app, and this is the world's best chat app. Enter chat. If I press this button, nothing will do because we haven't programmed it in the way work like that. So let's just close here. Okay. Now, how to return that HTML file to our Flask web app? In order to work with that, you must import something called render template. So this is actually an HTML page renderer for the Flask web app. So it will actually render the HTML file to your web app and return render template and pass your file name, which will be home.html. So save that. So whenever the user is going to come into your root folder, root route, then the user will actually see the home.html file over there. So make sure that your HTML file is inside the templates folder. So that's the only thing that you have to consider while doing that. So I'll just go open up cmd command prompt. Here we are, cd desktop and cd chat app python.py, type enter. Perfect. Now inside in here, just go to the localhost. Now you can see inside the root folder, we have successfully displayed our HTML page, chat app. This is the world's best chat app, enter chat. Perfect. So guys, I was just going through my chat application and I actually kind of feel bad because there's nothing like eye-catchy content in this web app, right? So user will not use this web app. So I'm thinking of something else. Let me just play some image over this chat application, right? So I'm not doing this for the sake of the user, because I just want to teach you something else. So I just want to grab an image of chat app. I don't think it will work. I just need an image of a person who is chatting. Okay, let's go with this one. Not a problem. It's kind of small. Let it be. Save image. Save image to desktop, inside chat app, and it will save inside templates. Save. Perfect. Now it's inside the templates folder. Perfect. Now we have to place the image over here. So in order to place image, just type in img source is equal to download. What was this extension? Is JPEG. So JPG download.jpg and save this one and come inside in web app and reload this page. Okay. You can see it's not working. If you come inside templates folder, you can see the download.jpg over here, and the download.jpg is not showing inside the page. So that's what I exactly want to show you guys. It's not working because it is not statically stored inside your web browser. Web app. So if you want to show the download JPEG into your web application, you must store inside a folder named static. So next step we have to do is that we are going to create a folder named static. So it'll be static and place the download.jpg to chat app inside static folder. Perfect. Now if we come back into our text editor. Inside static folder, you can see download JPEG is currently in static folder. And if I change this URL to static/download.jpg and save this one over here and come over here, back over here and reload this page, you can see the image is right over there. So these are the one mistake that I actually wanted to learn while I was learning Flask, and actually it took a lot of time for me to figure out why to use static and how to place static files inside the folder. So that's it, and now you have successfully placed in. Just go on and put a BR to get a new line, to place the button to a new line. So reload and the button is on new line. You can see in the chat, this is a home page of the chat app. Kind of bad, but it does the job. So guys, now let us get started by creating multiple routes to our web app. So currently you can see this only app route over here, just home.html. Now you have to create multiple number of routes to your chat app. Example, login for the user and the chat homepage, etc. So inside in here, I'm going to create let it be over here at app.route. Now say /login. Now say define login. Now say inside in here return this is the login page. And if I go save that. So now if we come inside the home.html page, inside button, I say on click is equal to window.location is equal to /login. If I save that, okay. And if I reload this page and press the enter chat button, you can see this is a login page. I actually got redirected to the login page. Now I'm going to show another function of redirect. So inside in here, you can actually do it inside this Flask app itself, like redirect. So I'm going to redirect, import redirect from Flask, and actually redirect this home page directly to the login page. So say redirect. So what to actually redirect? We are going to redirect URL_4, which we have in the redirect imported. So it will be URL4, which URL we are going to redirect to. So it will be login, right? So we are going to create a URL endpoint for login. So saving that, and if I come down in here, back, and if I reload this page, you can see it will actually automatically get redirected to the login page. Instead of showing the render template, it will actually get redirected to the login page. So actually, I'm going to redirect and route users using HTML page itself. I'm not going to really use this function, but if there is a case to use that function, I will be definitely using that. So just in case, just to mention, and also render template, this is a login page. Perfect. So today we have learned how to render a template, how to redirect between users, how to place use static folder to place images and things like that. Whatever images, video files, CSS, JS file, whatever files you use on a Flask app must be put inside the static folder, otherwise it may not work. So guys, one more thing that I want to tell you guys is that inside this localhost, whatever you put inside the static folder will be visible to the user. So technically you mustn't place your credentials or your private files or databases, etc. inside the static folder. It should be inside the root folder where the Python script lives. It can be accessible like place typing static/download.jpg. Whenever you can see we got the image files that we have placed inside the static folder. So likewise, if you place your database / your user credentials inside the static folder, it will be a huge security breach. So hopefully please don't do that. So make sure that, and hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please leave a like subscribe to the channel, and also please make sure that you comment down below if you want to add any features to this web as we develop and on. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this topic, just put it in the comments below. I will be definitely checking that. And that's all this for this video, and bye.